Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Cape Town City FC chairman John Committees has confirmed that they currently do not have any concrete offers for the teenage sensation Emil Witbooi, amid rumors of interest from Orlando Pirates, and has revealed that the player has been invited by the Bundesliga giant Bayern Munich. Witbooi, who's just 17 years old, was voted Players' Player of the Season in the Motsepe Foundation Championship, and his fine performances had attracted interest from the likes of Orlando Pirates. However, Witboi's price tag was understood to have cooled interest from the Buccaneers, but Committees explained he doesn't believe a deal under the right circumstances cannot be struck. Remember, Orlando Pirates have been hit with an 18 million rands price tag for his services, about €1 million. Here's what John Committees said during an interview. He says, "I don't think that's where we are going to get stuck with either Pirates or Sundowns. I will always find a way to make a deal happen. I don't think that's the issue here. I think it's a case of, are they wanting the player now? For him to go there and not play is not the right thing in my opinion. He's got to go there and play. Is he going to play? Those are the things that we are worrying about. If he's going to overseas, then he's going with a purpose of getting to a point where he's going to play regularly. So if he goes to a PSL club, he's got to play. Otherwise, he's going to go backwards. So, is it the right time for him to go now? We need to debate that, but there's nothing to talk about now because there are not any offers. But what we can't do, we can't get to the end of the transfer window, then last minute we strike a deal and we are left without a left-sided playmaker or a number 10 that can help us win the league. Then we suffer the consequences." So John Committees is explaining that if a deal is going to be made, it must be made in time so that they can get time to find a proper replacement for Emil Witbooi. He won't entertain any last-minute deals. And here is what he said regarding a Bayern Munich. He says, he's been in trial at Chelsea, so he's seen the best. He went to Sporting Lisbon by a request. We've got an invitation for him to go to Bayern, which we are now considering, only just to keep him relevant for his own good and to see which level he has been reaching. Those are the words of John Committees. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of John Committees saying that if Emil Witbooi is leaving Cape Town City, if he's going to a PSL team, then he's got to play. Otherwise, he must go overseas. Do you agree with him? And also, what do you think of Bayern inviting him so that he can trial with the Bundesliga giants? Do you think that it's a good move and John Committees should allow him to go for assessment at Bayern? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.